The aim of this video is to talk about three of what I think are the most exciting discoveries made in the past year related to cancer. Mostly because we study lung malignancies, we're focused on cancers caused by asbestos and by cigarettes. That's mesothelioma and lung cancer. These discoveries I want to talk about are discoveries made right here in our hospital, in our research centre. That's the National Centre for Asbestos Diseases. And they all relate to something that's incredibly exciting at the moment, which is immune attack on cancer. It's been a puzzle for years why the immune system doesn't attack cancer. Cancer's full of mutations. We've known that for a long time, whether they're caused by asbestos or cigarettes or sunshine. Why doesn't the immune system attack them? It should see these bits of mutations like viruses. So these three discoveries I want to talk about, published in the past year, all relate to that form of therapy. That is, how to get the body's immune system to attack and destroy cancer cells. So the first paper that I'd like to commend to you is a paper written by Jeanette Creaney and her team. This paper uses modern gene sequencing technology to identify the exact mutations in an asbestos-induced cancer, and, not only that, is the first to show a response of the killer T cells in the body. Those are the cells that normally protect against viruses, to these mutations. This is the first ever description of mutations that are seen by the immune system in a tumour induced by a natural carcinogen. That is, a carcinogen that induces cancers in humans. The second paper that I'd like to commend to you is a paper written by Joost Lesterhuis, Richard Lake and their team about a very, very interesting and novel approach to immune attack on cancer that could lead to very simple new therapies. The third paper I'd like to commend to you is one written by Professor Anna Nowak and her team, and it relates to a clinical trial using an agent, and I've got to say, an agent that we discovered maybe 10 years ago could be useful in cancer, and is just now being translated into clinical trials. And that's a long road, but a very exciting possibility for cancer patients. All three discoveries, to me, have been very exciting. I get a skip in my step whenever I hear about this work. And the exciting thing is, although we're focused on lung malignancies and asbestos-induced cancers in particular, these discoveries could be applicable to all cancers because they're all caused by mutations. So theoretically, the immune system should be able to mount an attack against those cancers. And the trick is to discover just how to do that. So these discoveries are part of that puzzle. And all three are going to lead to clinical trials, and we look forward to seeing how they work out. Of course, this discussion relates to three discoveries made here in our research laboratory, and there are many other terrific laboratories in the world making exciting discoveries. We've talked specifically about our own because a lot of people in the world have asked us to give them an update and have followed our work, and so it's a chance for us to provide information and encouragement to other people about the most exciting things that are happening in our research team.